Hi, today we are demonstrating the flow visualization when the Cessna aircraft is in stall condition. So we will be performing with a wire balance system, and we will be using a smoke generator for flow visualization. So watch it and learn more. So you can perform any type of flow visualization with Wings of AERO research lab facilities. Suppose if you want to test any car or aeroplane space models, the flow visualization can be done. So for more details, you can mail to us. Thank you.